Alright, today I'll be introducing you to DoCloud. DoCloud is our intern project that we've been working on for the past year and a half. Essentially, DoCloud is a simple to-do list app, but it's not just a to-do list app. Our aim was to make it a more social experience. So, through this, we hope to let people share to-dos with their friends by creating groups with them. So this is especially pertinent to a school-based setting because you have project work and you have like CCAs and stuff. So by creating a group and having a to-do list, you can more efficiently delegate work or organize outings and stuff like that. However, we do not limit our app to just school. So we make it a very flexible app because you can use it also at home, like maybe to delegate chores or organize family outings and stuff. And even in a business like situation, because even in business, people do work in groups together. So in this way, we help them out by giving them an option to organize their groups. And so it's a very flexible app in that sense. So now let's take a look at the app itself. Alright, here I have it running in an emulator instance. So the thing is, we wanted to make the app very minimalist. So we don't want the user to go through too many steps to get to the data that they want to work with. So the moment you log in, we immediately bring you to your list of groups so that you don't need to go through so many steps to get to what you want to do. So over here, I have a couple of groups listed, project work and DoCloud. So within each group, you can have multiple to-do items, and a group consists of different people, obviously, and you add these when you create the group. So over here, I have a couple of items, and you notice in each item, you have a title, a description, as well as a due date. So the thing is, the only thing that is necessary is the title. The other two items are optional because we want to give users the option of adding extra data. Like not all to-do items will require a due date or a description. Like sometimes the title might be descriptive enough. So we don't want to force them to have to enter data in where it might be unnecessary. So if you notice, let's say we want to create a new to-do. The creation of a to-do has a very similar interface to viewing a to-do item. And this is to sort of unify the entire user interface across the board. So let's say I go on and create a new to-do within this group. So I give it a title like fix bugs, right? And let's say I give it a due date of maybe tomorrow. Alright. Now when I click done, it says to-do is created and immediately it's added to the group. You can view the stuff and yeah, it's exactly as we added it. So it is also synced to all my friends' devices as well that this new to-do is here, and when they view it, it'll be exactly as I see it. So essentially that's what's within a group. But within a group, you can also view the group's information. Alright, so in a group's information, there's a group's title, who it was created by, and the members within its group. So in created by, it'll either display you for groups that you have created or the name of the person who created the group. You also have the option of adding in new members to the group. Now if you notice, much like creating a new to-do, creating a new group has a very similar interface to the group info page as well. Now the thing is, we wanted it to be social, remember? So let's take a look at the friends. Currently, I only have one friend, Michael. So let's take a look at adding some new friends. Let's say I want to add my friend Nathaniel, alright? So all I need to do is type N. Our search bar is a unified search bar, so it can search based on a name or an email and the likes of that. So once I see Nathaniel, I just click add him as a friend and click yes. Now let's say I log into Nat's account on another emulator instance. Alright, so I log in as him. So once again I'm presented with his groups, which he has none of. and I go to view his friends, and yep, you can see that that it has been notified that I've added him as a friend. So all I need to do is swipe left, and it updates that I've added him as a friend. Now if I go back to my emulator, my account, it'll automatically update here too that Nat has accepted my friend request. So now when I go to groups, and let's say I want to create a new group, just click add. Let's say I call it friends. Alright. Now when I click add members, it automatically updates that Nat is my friend. So let's say I add both of them. I click done and done again. Now here I have a new group. It's called friends. I can add new items to it and whatever I want. And it will be automatically updated on my friends. And now you see on Nat's already, it's been automatically updated that he too is part of this friends group. Now if I view the group information, you notice it's slightly different, where here it says created by you, and on Nat's it says created by Isaac Asher. Alright, that's me. So, but overall, everything is the same, and yep, everything is similar across the board. So, as you can see, it's a very social experience, and this is exactly what we hope to achieve. So, that's about it for this app. Thank you. So once again, I'm presented with his groups, which he has none of, and I go to view his friends, and yep, you can see that that it has been notified that I've added him as a friend. So all I need to do is swipe left,